Hey guys, what is going on? It is Seth, and I am back again to talk about dividend stocks. I'm specifically going to talk about the best dividend stocks, and specifically, again, the best dividend stocks I believe in my portfolio. So, this is all for entertainment. I try to give the best entertainment I can and to try to keep things interesting. And this is, in my opinion, what I feel like are the best dividend stocks that I currently own. And hopefully, you guys can get some value out of this. And yeah, have fun with dividend investing because this is about slowly growing, right? We're not here to get rich quick. We are here to really do this right. This is the slow path to wealth, but it's the right path to wealth. And I hope that these videos help motivate and inspire you to keep on investing and to keep on going and to keep on dividend investing. And that's what it's about. So let's just get right into it. Now, I am basing a lot of this off of Warren Buffett and the rules that he goes by. So let me just get right to it and explain some of the rules. A good gross margin, a good net margin, and can these companies pay off their long-term debt in 4 years or more with their current net income? Now, I know I just said a lot right there, and a lot just went over your head. So what I would do, I have another I have another video I did on how to analyze balance sheets, but quickly I can go over it. So again, I just want to say, when you're looking at these companies' financials, you want to look at one, their gross margin, two, their net margin, and three, can they pay off their long-term debt in 4 years or more with their current net income? And these are all Warren Buffett rules, right? I'm not making this up. This isn't me just saying, yeah, you should probably look for these things. Like, no, this is what, Warren Buffett says to look for. And I would go with what he says. I think he's a pretty good investor. um, and also the criteria, is have these dividends, have these dividend stocks, have they been paying dividends for more than 20 years in a row, right? And do they have a good dividend growth rate? And for me, because of my time horizon, I'm also looking at total return. What is the total return of these stocks, right? So a stock that's not going to be in this list, for example, would probably be like a Walgreens, right? WBA, because, the total return in the past 10 years hasn't been the best. So I don't have that portfolio in my stock right now. But with all that being said, let's just get right into it, guys. So the stocks that I want to talk about, I'm going to tell you the first one, which is AbbVie, right? AbbVie is a great stock. It's one of my favorites. And the reason why is look at this dividend streak of 98 years without a reduction, right? Which is awesome. It has a dividend growth streak of 50 years. And in the last 5 years, its dividend growth rate has been 18%. Incredible. And when you look at the gross margins and the net margin, right? And can they pay off their long-term debt in 4 years or more with their current net income? They pass all of that, right? So AbbVie, that's one. Another one that I'm gonna show you is Home Depot. Home Depot, same story. They've paid dividends for 34 years. And in the last 5 years, they've grown at 18%. Right, guys? Hopefully, when you're watching this, I know I'm talking. I might be talking too fast. I apologize, but I'm super excited and passionate about this. And I hope you guys like that. And I hope you're entertained too. But with that being said, I just hope you're seeing like this isn't too difficult once you do your research to figure some of this stuff out. And I hope I can give you the confidence to invest, and to keep on investing, right? This isn't too difficult. Another company, J&J, same thing, guys. So there's three right there. Look at this dividend streak, 106 years. I mean, it's not rocket science, right? In the last 20 years, their dividend growth rate percentage is 9%. It's just awesome. Right? Another one, KO. Look at their dividend streak, 102 years. Last 20 years, 8%. Last 5 years, 4%. Not bad. Could be better, but I'll take it. Also want to show you total return. This is total return for this next stock that I'm going to tell you about, UNP. We're going to go over all this right now. UNP, industrials, railroads, 23-year dividend streak, last 5 years, 14% growth rate, just awesome. And I'll show you, here's a bonus one. Here's a 6 stock that I like, CNI. Same thing. I mean, it has a dividend safety rating of 97. You know, dividend streak, 25 years, last 5 years, 10% growth rate. Just awesome. Look at the total return of these companies. Here's 3 of them right here. UNP, CNI, J&J, what we just went over. Compound annual growth rate of 16% for UNP, 13% for CNI, and 12.7% for J&J in the last 10 years, which is better, beating, if not very similar to the total return of VOO, right? Or like a index fund that tracks the total stock market, So these are my favorite stocks that I have right now, and I'm slowly building up holdings. I'm slowly building up my positions in these holdings. And I'm about to do a big purchase. I'm about to purchase $1,000, and that's pretty big for me. I'm about to purchase $1,000 tonight, actually, and I'm going to put it spread across. I'm just dollar cost averaging into this. I don't look at this portfolio. I just dollar cost average, and I let it go. A new purchase that I did make, which I wanted to go over, is Target. I feel like Target is a great company. I feel like it's a great brand. I think the price of the stock is at a, I think you can buy it for a great price right now. I think it's really cheap. And I think for a long-term investor, this is a good stock to have. It's a good dividend stock to buy and hold. And that's why I recently purchased Target, and I plan to hold on to all these for a very long time. So you can see, guys, I do love all of these stocks, right? These are all great picks for me. But if I had to choose kind of my 5 favorite that are like my ride or die stocks, those are going to be them. I'll probably throw Apple in there too, because Apple is, Apple is really good. I like Apple. Anyway, guys, this is Dividend Investing with Seth. I hope this is entertaining for you. I'm not trying to give a bunch of financial advice here, but this is, again, I'm really passionate about this, and I hope that, you guys get some value out of this. I know I'm kind of all over the place, but I hope you guys like it. And I will make a new video tomorrow. I make new videos every day. I love doing this, and I really appreciate you guys commenting and liking the video. It just means a lot to me when I see that. I know I only have like 17 subscribers right now, but it's just so much fun. I love seeing it. I don't care if it's 17 or 70,000. It doesn't matter, right? I just love making these videos. Anyway, guys, take care. I'll see you soon.